Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making a special fried rice, and this time it's going to be called green fried rice. Stay tuned. To season my meat, I'll start by blending scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger, and some sliced onion. I'll add some water and blend. As you can see, I've already washed and cleaned my chicken. I'll start by adding thyme, stock cube, salt, and the blended mixture. I will stir everything together and cover and allow to cook until tender. It's boiling. I'll wash my rice, drain it, and add it into a pot and parboil for about 5 minutes. While the rice is still boiling, I'll start by cutting my green bell pepper and spring onions for easy blending. You can add more green bell pepper and spring onion if you want the fried rice to be more green. I will add them into the blender, add a little water and blend. I will slice the red bell pepper and green bell pepper. Slice the spring onion. Also slice onion. The chicken is ready, so I'll be taking the chicken stock to cook the rice. I'll add the chicken stock into the pot, add the blended green bell pepper and spring onion mixture, and allow it to cook. When I notice that the liquid are boiled, I'll be adding the parboiled rice. Stir everything and allow to cook. Now the rice is done. I will turn off the heat and set aside. I'll add some oil into a preheated pan. Add the sliced onion and sliced mixed bell peppers and stir fry. I'll also add curry powder. I'll be adding a little curry powder. Then I'll add the mixed veggies. I will continue stir frying. While still stir frying, I will be adding the sweet corn and continue stir frying. Add stock cube. I will add salt. Then I'll be adding the rice. I'll continue stir frying. I'll be stirring so that the vegetable will mix together with the rice. While I'm still stir frying, you can also test for salt and add if necessary. Finally, the green fried rice is ready and it tastes so delicious. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.